G'day again everyone, my name is Daniel, I'm from Orbit Plumbing. Today I just wanted to show you guys how to improve the pressure in your shower. A lot of people actually have very low pressure showers and there's a good reason for that. This is just one type of shower head as an example. What I want to do is I'm just going to unscrew the shower head here. And I'm going to show you inside. So if you look closely, that little green filter there, that's actually a pressure reducing filter, okay? And what we want to do, if you want to improve the shower pressure, you got to remove that. So by just getting a little screwdriver like that, pretty much getting it in there, wedging it out, that's all you've got to do to remove it. This is actually one I've done earlier, and as you can see, that green thing's now gone. Here's the other one, and the pressure in this one here is greatly improved, massively improved actually. Now, you can find these in all different locations. It's important to remember that. You might find it in the end of the hose, or in this end of the hose. You might even find it inside this top fitting up here. And what I'll do is I'll go over to the other shower. It's got an older style of shower fitting on it, and I'll show you where you can find it there. Okay, so I'm now in the other shower in the house. So with these old school style shower heads, they're called all directional shower heads. This is probably the main type that you'll find. All you've got to do is literally get your shifter, unscrew this off the wall, okay? And just inside there you'll find that filter. And you just do the same thing. Grab the screwdriver, pry the filter out, get a little bit of pink Teflon tape, go around 6 times, and screw the shower head back on, and Bob's your uncle, you will then have much better pressure. And literally that's all it is. So if you've got bad water pressure coming out of your showers, give that a go and I reckon you'll be much happier. Cheers guys.